They say LSSC scooters are the next big thing in personal electric transportation. Sleek design, long battery life, smart safety features, and fast charging. Everything you could want in a modern scooter sounds perfect, right? But in 2026, when electric scooters are everywhere, the real question is, can you really trust LSSC? Or is it just another overhyped brand? At first glance, LSSC looks impressive. Their website shows high-quality photos, specs that seem superior to most competitors, and even claims of awards and certifications. It all feels professional, and in a market full of electric scooters, that immediately makes people curious. Who wouldn't want a scooter that promises speed, reliability, and modern tech features? But let's dig deeper. There are a few things you need to know. First, customer reviews are mixed. Some users rave about the smooth ride, powerful battery, and responsive brakes. They say it's perfect for commuting, running errands, or just enjoying the city streets. Others, however, report issues with battery performance, delayed shipping, or poor customer service when trying to fix problems. And that's where trust becomes a question. Another key point is safety and durability. LSSC claims their scooters are tested for safety, with shock absorption, anti-slip decks, and high-quality motors. Independent reviews suggest the scooters perform well on smooth surfaces, but some users notice wear and tear faster than expected when riding on rough roads. For anyone relying on a scooter daily, this could be an important factor. Pricing is another consideration. LSSC scooters are not cheap, and they often sit in the mid to high price range for electric scooters. That's fine if the performance matches the claims, but if you encounter defective units or delayed support, the investment might not feel worth it. Customer service seems to be a mixed bag, too. Some users report responsive support and helpful troubleshooting. Others struggle to get replacements, wait weeks for answers, or find warranty claims difficult to process. In 2026, with so many competitors, good service can make or break a brand's reputation. So what's the overall picture? LSSC scooters can be good, but they're not flawless. You get sleek design, smart tech, and generally solid performance. But some risk comes with potential battery issues, durability concerns, and uneven customer support. My verdict: LSSC is worth considering if you like their style and features, and you are comfortable doing a bit of research before buying. Make sure to check independent reviews, read user experiences carefully, and manage expectations. Don't expect perfection, but with some caution, you could enjoy a solid ride. If this review helped you decide whether LSSC scooters are trustworthy, leave a like, comment, or share to help others make informed choices. Stay smart, stay safe, and always do your research before buying tech in 2026.